Module 2 – Cryptocurrency Wallets and Security. Welcome to Module 2, where we dive into how to store your precious crypto and keep it safe from the online boogeyman. Let's break it down step by step, with a few jokes along the way, of course. Cryptocurrency wallets. A cryptocurrency wallet is like a digital piggy bank, but much cooler. It doesn't hold physical coins, but stores your private keys, like the secret password to your money. If you lose your keys, it's like forgetting where you buried the treasure. You'll never see it again. You wouldn't put your life savings under the mattress, right? Well, you also don't want to leave your crypto in a wallet that's about as secure as a post-it note. If you're curious about cryptocurrency, check out our Cryptocurrency Beginner's Guide course. It's the perfect starting point to learn all the basics and dive into the world of crypto. Don't miss it, link is in the description. Types of wallets. Now, not all wallets are the same. They come in two main flavors, hot and cold. Think of them like a coffee. Hot wallets are fast and convenient, but you need to be careful not to spill them. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are like your iced coffee, refreshingly secure, but a little slower to use. Hot wallets are connected to the internet 24/7, 365. They are quick and easy, but like a front door that's always open, a bit risky. There are plenty of hot wallets that you can use, for example, MetaMask and Trezor wallet. Those are software wallets you can install on your computer or your phone. Setting up your first crypto wallet is easier than you might think. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple process of installing and setting up the MetaMask wallet, a trusted and widely used option for managing your cryptocurrency. Seed phrase is a 12 or 24 word code that can recover your wallet if you lose access. Don't share it with anyone unless you trust them with your entire financial future. Remember, your seed phrase is like your Netflix password, but way more serious. Don't just give it to your roommate. Imagine losing all your crypto because you forgot your password. Nightmare, right? Always back up your wallet by writing down your seed phrase. Store it somewhere safe. And no, your phone notes app doesn't count. Maybe even write it down twice, just to be sure. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline and super secure, like a safe hidden in your basement. Those wallets are harder to hack, however, you can access it with just a click. Some of the examples of the cold wallets are Ledger and Trezor. These are the hardware wallets that look like a fancy USB sticks. If a hot wallet is your crypto wallet on a night out, a cold wallet is like keeping your money in a vault at a Fort Knox. How to choose a secure wallet. So how do you decide? Here's a quick guide. Hot wallets are good for small amount and frequent transactions. You wouldn't walk around with your life saving in your pocket, right? Same goes with the hot wallet. While cold wallets are perfect for long-term storage or large amount of crypto. Think of it like a saving account that takes a little extra time to access. Some of the important terms are private key and seed phrase. Private key is the password to your crypto. Lose it and you lose your funds. Keep it secret and keep it safe. Seed phrase is a 12 or 24 word code that can recover your wallet if you lose access. How to protect yourself from fraud. Crypto world is like the wild, wild west. Exciting, full of opportunities, but also loaded with dangers. Here's how to stay safe. Phishing. Be careful of fake websites or emails trying to trick you into sharing your private key or seed phrase. Always double check the URL of exchanges and wallets you use. Scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Avoid clicking on random links or responding to get-rich-quick messages. Exchanges. When using an exchange like Binance or Coinbase, don't leave large amounts of crypto there for long. These exchanges are like a busy bank, good for transactions, but you wouldn't store all your cash there forever. Always use a two-factor authentication, 2FA. It's like adding an extra lock to your door. Here are some of the best practices for working with exchanges. Try to withdraw your crypto to a secure wallet once you've done trading, and always watch out for fake apps. Only download official versions from trusted sources. Just to wrap it all up, here are some key takeaways. Hot wallets. Easy to access but higher risk. Used for small, daily transactions. Cold wallets. Super secure but slower. Ideal for long-term storage. Always back up your wallet by safely storing your seed phrase. Be aware of phishing scams, good to be true offers, and keep your private keys secure. Stay cautious when using exchanges. Enable 2FA and don't store your crypto there long-term. If you treat your crypto wallet like your social media, sharing everything with everyone, you might just find yourself broke in the digital world. Now, let's test your knowledge. Answer the following question to see how well you've mastered these essential concepts. And good luck. Question number 1. What is a cryptocurrency wallet used for? The correct answer is B. Storing your private keys, which allow access to your crypto. Question number 2. What is the key difference between hot and cold wallets? The correct answer is A. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, while cold wallets are offline. Question number 3. Which of the following is an example of a cold wallet? The right answer is C. A ledger. Question number 4. What is a seed phrase and why is it important? The right answer is B. A 12 or 24 word code that can recover your wallet if you lose access. Question number 5. Which of the following is a security tip for working with cryptocurrency? The correct answer is C. Use a two-factor authentication for added security.